Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to create a modal function using a Micromodal, a JavaScript library. And this is the demo of the model. See, we can close by a button, by some element, or we can close by clicking outside the container or clicking the overlay. And it's light. It's simple and it's written in pure JavaScript, so I think it's worth to try. The first thing is, okay, I'm gonna include the file so it can load it by browser. Just copy this file and let's add the file to our temp child folder. In this case, I have created a JS folder. I'm gonna put the file in here. So let's name it a micromodal.js and just paste it. And then we need to add some CSS. In this case, there is a simple demo that created by the user, and here on the codepen.io website. So I'm gonna just put this, and I'm gonna just copy this CSS and put it on my CSS folder. So let's say it's micromodal.css. Then I need additional JavaScript file to put my code to initialize the model. So I'm gonna write it. I'm gonna name it as custom.js, and then let's copy the JS file and put in here. Yeah, I don't need all the code, I think, since this is there is an additional function on this code to set the height and the width, but I will not need it, and think I'm gonna delete it, but yeah, it's later. For right now, I'm just gonna leave it default. And let's see here. I'm gonna use a data attribute to initialize the model. Let's see. Let's go to our page. I forget. We need to enqueue the file, of course. So just go to your function file, and I'm gonna enqueue the file here. Let's enqueue the style first. Get style, and let's delete this. Get style directory Yuri. And the CSS folder, micromodal.css. Right, yeah, something like this. And let's enqueue our script file. Script, name it, I forget. CSS micromodal, and it is JS micromodal. Change the path name and JS custom, JS custom dot Here, oops, yeah, something like this. And let's see on the front end, let's see if whether our browser has been loaded the JavaScript and CSS file. There's this. Okay, let's see, let's search for Micromodal. Okay, we have a Micromodal here and the CSS file, and we have the JavaScript file here. Yeah, I think the three of them has been loaded. And now let's create our button. System container, I'm gonna add the button here, and let's make it center. Let's say I'm gonna make the background darker than the button itself. Okay, so the first thing is add the attribute here, and this is our modal ID, and make sure to the value of the attribute is same with the value of the modal ID. Okay, let's copy this and add to our button. Go to style and attribute, and let's say this is my modal ID, modal 1. Save it. Okay, and then we're gonna create our modal element. Let's add a div or maybe block. Okay, and let's see, change the ID of the element to the modal 1. All right. Okay, so there are some requirement that we need to add to our element, and we're gonna learn by see this sample. Okay, since I'm using this CSS, then I'm gonna copy the class name. Go to block and let's add. Okay. Why can I add the I don't know why I can add the class name. I think I changed something on the setting. Let's go to brick setting and go to, where is that? Okay, here. Okay, let's save and refresh. Okay, nice. Let's add a class to our modal element. Let's save and okay, and let's see. Okay, ID modal 1, area hidden true. Let's add this attribute. So it goes to style attribute, area hidden true. right? And we need to create the child element, the model overlay. Gonna add block and add class name, the model overlay. Okay, then I'm gonna add the attribute so it can trigger close the model when it click outside the element. Right. And see the model overlay, then model container. All right, we're gonna add the model container class name with element. Why is container? Let's add a block and add a class name, model container, and then yeah, you can, I think I can copy this, just add role dialog, oops, dialog, and then the second attribute is the area model true. Area model true. All right, now I think this is enough. And let's add some area container, yeah. Okay, let's add some text heading, and this is the model. All right, let's see. Let's refresh and see. Oops. Okay, wait. Model overlay. Model 1. Let's see. Model container. Do I have? Yeah, I have model container here. Background color transparent. Why is it transparent? Model here is relative. Nah, should I delete some the custom script, and let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I need to delete this since this is the default. Yeah, maybe like this. This is the default of the script which we need to initialize the model. Okay, let's see. Now why? Yeah. I think I need to customize the CSS, flex, container. I'm gonna set alright, something like this, and change. in the color too. Here. Oops, why the hate this? Yeah, it's a Micromodal, right? Hate. Maybe I change. What is it? Yeah, here. No, yeah, something like this. I delete the wrong line. All right. Here is the model. But there is problem if I click the container, overlay container. If it outside the element, yeah, just kind it close by itself. Maybe I need to add more div. Just click one and yeah, something like this. Okay, now it's good. And we can customize our model by, let's delete this thing. Nah, the model. And yeah, I forgot Micromodal slide. All right. I think I should where is the display none? Flex. Now the bake. I forget to reload my builder. Yeah, this should be looking good. And let's add some padding, maybe to RAM. Okay, and add some text. Let's see, basic text, and let's add some button. Okay, add some gap, maybe 1 RAM, and add some margin button, maybe 1 RAM again. Okay, that's good. And to make this button as a close modal button, we need to add data Micromodal close. So go to attribute and just oops, okay, something like this. And it's tutut. I don't know what is tutut. Let's duplicate this, but I need to add a block. Okay, that's good. So this is the close button. Okay, close, and this is maybe let's say continue, and add a column gap on RAM, and let's change the button. Can I do here on RAM? Yeah. One. It's something like this. Okay, let's change to the secondary. Okay, and let's see where I have. Should I? Think when I should turn on. Okay, let's see and test. Oops. Why? Container, display flag Y, display flag Y. Should I change it to the none? Nah. Model 1. Let's see. Yeah, the attribute is. I forget to. Nah. Why? Nah. It's good. And now it's not working. I don't know why, because maybe there is something like this. Yeah, Micromodal slide.brxa block and display flag. I need to refresh the builder so it can retrieve the style from the CSS, maybe. Nah, modal overlay, modal, micromodal. Wait. Area hidden true. Yeah. Model 1. I forget here. Where is the display? The model is. Let's see. And how do I remove this micromodal slide? Should I? I think I should checklist this. Let me try something like this. I'm gonna delete this. Let's say I'm gonna set it to block, and let's add a model. Add a model, micromodal slide. Yeah, something like this. Let's see. Oh, I need to remove this model. Model 1. How do I change this? Micromodal slide none. Model 1. Damn, why? Here I need to. Okay, let's refresh again. Yeah, I need to. I know. So it's like this. Let's say flex, and if you wanna remove the option, and I should click this icon, then it will remove the style that has been added. Okay, let's again. All right, now it's working good. Let's close. Oops, nice. Up, yeah. Okay, let's see if I can make another button. I'm gonna just duplicate this. Button. Let's add to RAM. Button, it's model 1 and it's model 2. So I'm gonna change the attribute to model 2, and then I'm gonna duplicate this and change the ID. Oops, wait. Model 1, okay. Change the ID to model 2, and yeah. Heading, this is the model 2. Okay, heading, this is the model 1. Okay, let's save it. And let's see. Okay, model 1, this is the model 1. Model 2, this is the model 2, but why? Why it changed? Maybe I should put this this model element to outside. Yeah, something like this. All right. Okay, nice. All right, this is model 1. Let's close model 2. Yep, that's really cool, I think. And you can add as many as a button with a simple data attribute. And I think for the next video, I'm gonna add a form to this, and the plan is when the form is successfully submitted, it will trigger another form that inform you that the form is successfully submitted with the custom element. I'm gonna using this element on the bricks builder. So when it click continue or click finish, it will display other form, other pop-up, other model. Yeah, the plan is like that, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna use contact form 7 since it's free, and I think that's the most lightweight contact form plugin for WordPress. Yeah, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, suggestion, or this critic, you can comment. Write your comment on the comment box down below. And happy weekend. Happy coding. Thank you. Bye bye.